Hey everybody, Chris here from Paramount Retirement Solutions, and welcome to video 5 here in our series for Understanding Medicare, just figuring out what you need to do when you first turn 65 and get on Medicare for the first time, or if you're working longer and getting on Medicare Part B for the first time as well. We can see that video number 1 was just all about signing up for Medicare, how to get enrolled in Original Medicare. The second video was just showing you what Medicare covers, where the gaps are, and then videos 3 and 4 were dedicated to showing you how to fill those gaps in coverage. Video 3 was about getting a Medicare Supplement plan as well as a standalone drug plan to fill those gaps, what I like to call the path on the left of your fork in the road. And video 4 was about getting a Medicare Advantage plan and going down the path on the right. So we can just see that chart that I just referenced, and we can see that both of the paths listed. This chart just shows you the pros and cons about going down one side or the other. You can't go down both paths because you can't get a Medicare Supplement plan with a Medicare Advantage plan. At that fork in the road, at that decision, you have to go one way or the other. So basically what this chart is doing is it's taking everything about Medicare, everything that's important about your decision, and really just distilling all those points down and showing you the pros and cons of going down either path. So keep in mind the prices of these plans differ greatly depending on where you live. If you look at the state of New York, for example, Medicare Supplement plans can be more than 3 times as much as say they would be in South Carolina. So it's really critical to use an agent to help you find for the best plan, really based on your location and your budget and healthcare needs. If you decide to go down the path on the right, getting a Medicare Advantage plan, if you decide that's right for you, it's really going to be best for you to work with a local agent. You want to work with somebody that knows the market, knows the local hospitals, the networks, and the specific companies that are strong in your area, whether they have a high star rating by Medicare or whether most of the doctors and healthcare providers will take that plan, take that insurance, and pay claims on a timely manner. It's going to pay to work with somebody that's local, that's going to be familiar with that specific region, with your specific region of the country. However, if you decide to get a Medigap plan, go down the path on the left, get a Medigap plan, also known as a Medicare Supplement, along with a prescription drug plan, it's imperative that you work with an independent agent like myself that can represent many different insurance companies, not just one, because rates are based, for Medicare Supplement plans, rates are based on your gender, your zip code, your tobacco usage, so whether you smoke or not, and your age. So if you work with a captive agent, they're only going to be able to represent one specific insurance company. Sometimes they can maybe represent up to 2 or 3, but rarely is that one company going to be the best fit and give you the best rate for your specific location and your specific needs. If you work with an independent agent like myself, they can do several things for you. At first, they can help you find the most cost-efficient plan. So when you're getting on Medicare for the first time, it's your most important decision, they can help you find the most cost-efficient plan right off the bat. As you get older, as rates change, as your health changes, you really want to stay in the most cost-efficient plan as you get older. The plan that you get may go up faster in premium than, let's say, a new plan that's offered in your area or another company that comes along and possibly lowers their rates. So working with, again, an independent agent can help you stay in the most cost-efficient plan as you get older. Another value of using an independent agent is they can be a single point of contact for you to work with. If you signed up directly and went with the insurance company and signed up on your own, well, first of all, you're going to pay the same price. If I help you shop and I help you find a plan, I get a commission from the insurance company. So that's how I make my money. I don't charge you a fee. But if you sign up with that very same policy with that very same company, you're paying the exact same amount. But if you sign up on your own, every time you need something, every time you want to dispute a claim, have a question about something, you're going to be calling a toll-free number, talking to somebody different every time, possibly talking with somebody in another country who it's going to be hard to communicate with. If you sign up with an agent, an independent agent that can work with many companies, they provide one single point of contact that you can talk to the same person every time, and they can go to bat for you when there's a problem with your policy or if you have any questions. And really, it's a mutually beneficial relationship when you work with an agent because it benefits both parties. I get a small commission from whatever policy I'm going to help find for you, so that's how I get paid. That's how I make my living. And for you, you're basically getting a free consultation from a professional that does this for a living. They can help you find the most cost-efficient plan, stay in the most cost-efficient plan as you get older. So it really benefits everybody. So basically, in summary, with this video in this series, we've understood the things that you need to do to get signed up for Medicare, how it works, how the supplemental insurances fit into that picture, and basically this video is about looking at the very big picture, seeing the pros and cons about each of your choices, and then making a decision from there. So you can see at the bottom of the screen is my phone number. I've also included my email address. Love to be able to help you out, find the best plan for you. I'd love to answer any questions if you simply want somebody to talk to and to get something answered that maybe that doesn't make sense. Hopefully this video series will clear up most of your points of confusion. It'll make things a lot simpler for you, but looking forward to hear from you, and I'd love to be able to help.